It's been a very long time since we've been together.
It's been so long.
Over a year. We're starting to entertain once again. Summer's right around the corner. We're feeling it.
I'm so excited.
This is why you should be really excited. Tajín, okay? I've been eating this for years.
It's the best thing ever on fruit because it just adds a little tiny bit of spice, but not too much. Just like the flavor. Fruit is the best way to do it, for sure.
Mild chili peppers, a little bit of lime.
That's all you need.
It makes everything, say it with me, bueno or more bueno. Shall we go ahead and dive in? Where do you want to start?
I mean, you know, let's start with the fruit. The fruit. You can't go wrong with a little bit of tahini on the fruit.
Okay. Extra lime. So that it sticks. That's my thing too, like especially when you put it on a rim of like a smoothie.
Oh yeah.
You do the lime first and then dip it in the Tajín. Crunch. What's the other thing? Because there's sea salt, it's like a little crunch with that lime and again the mild chili peppers. Okay, how about some avo toast? Okay?
Avocado toast is all the rage nowadays.
Oh, it's so SoCal. Shrimp cocktail sauce.
All you gotta do, a little shrimp cocktail.
Here, throw it on it.
Summertime, we're gonna be entertaining outdoors. All you need, a light salad. Anything in your salad really you can have.
True.
Add a little tahini. It's not super obvious. It's just a little hint of deliciousness.
Olivia, we talk about adding Tajín to the marinade that we throw the shrimp in, let it sit overnight, right?
Yeah,
and then you throw it on the grill. The same thing with the meat. And then you can even add an extra ounce of Tajín, if you will, on top of the meat. So it's like double the power. We love it.
Yeah. And then you can do the same thing with the veggies. You know, you can marinate them with the tahini beforehand, or you can just throw them on the grill and put them on top. Put some tahini on top.
Drinks
so
and meat and all the things with Tajín.
You can literally put it on anything, and that's the greatest part about it.
Because it not only makes it bueno, it makes it more bueno. Pour it, baby. Cheers to Tajín.
Cheers to spicing up your summer.